Thank you. I made this myself.
I know.
You know, it's really weird. I wear a size 10 and a half in my own shoes. They're by design. So if by chance you happen to have a bigger foot and you don't want to be always in a size 11 or size 12, you want to feel like the rest of the girls.
They're coming up on the elevator now.
What, this elevator?
You ready?
Oh.
1, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Did you see Suzanne's shoes though? I showed you them the other day, the lipstick and the thing. She really liked them too, and her outfit as well. I really don't have time for an after show.
You got a busy week. HSN.
Very, very busy week.
Thursday.
Please, HSN design meeting across town in about 25 minutes. It's happening so soon I'm going to have to wipe off my makeup in the car. Or not at all.
I'll come get you.
Oh my God. Oh, it's a bloody, oh. It's a bloody mess in here.
They're coming. They're coming.
Yeah. Hey, Chuck! Oh.
Do you remember Mom and Dad's
Aw, does it smell like everything bad in here?
storks? Do you remember that?
It should smell like everything bad.
It smells floral.
Capers. I made a spread.
Stand up straight for a second.
I really don't have anything to say for an after show. Joni, thank you.
You ready for the snow?
So, yeah. This is what I won't be doing though. I won't be spending any extra time in a hotel that I can't spend at my own house, in my own bed. You know, once upon a time, I used to love staying in a hotel. And we used to be able to do it so easily. Young Kevin's portable.
No dog.
Well, now we have the dog, and therein lies the problem. So, you know, am I looking forward to staying in a hotel? No. No, not for the purpose of the snow, because all I have to keep wondering is what's going on at home. What's going on at home? I was talking about as far as the plowing and
The power.
why do people buy so much food when there's going to be a storm? You know, I get a few things. But if your power goes out, everything is wasted. All that good orange juice that you spent $6.99 for the jug, done. Anyway, I'm not really much of a long talker today. I promise I'll pay more attention
Wednesday.
on Wednesday. Right now, I'm so concentrating on the next step of my life, the next phase of stuff I have to do, and I'm going to be late to do it. But yeah, the HSN stuff, though, is available on pre-order, you know, if you care. And then I'll be there once on Friday and once on Saturday. Once on Friday, twice on Saturday. Oh, that pin was all up in my head. All right.
Watching?
Oh, I love you for watching the after show, and I'll see you next time. Bye.